Hi and welcome to the MVP Insight. Today we're going to talk about a build that we've recently shipped out. एक ऐसी build which will be used for 3D modeling and rendering. So stay tuned. बात करते हैं इसके स्पेक्स के बारे में. It has the 5800X from AMD, the 3080 from Gigabyte, the 3080 Vision OC from Gigabyte. Keeping the CPU cool, we have the Castle 360EX, and it's all put inside a very nice looking Fantex P400A. Now, in case you haven't noticed, the entire build was built with a white aesthetic. So the user wanted it to be very clean, it wanted it to be white, he wanted it to be pleasing to the eye. Now this is both a blessing and a curse. A white build looks really nice, but it also gets very dirty. तो अगर आप एक white build लेना चाहते हैं, you'll have to think about, making sure that you're regularly cleaning it and making sure it keeps looking great. The bad thing about choosing a build like this is कि आपका component selection बहुत ज़्यादा limited हो जाता है. सारे brands white में हर model नहीं बनाते. So there are only certain models which will be available in white. So if you're going for the design aesthetic, then you need to think about के components कौन से select करने पड़ेंगे, so because you might be limited in those. Now, the build request actually came to us, and this is a point I want to touch about. It came to us with the 5900X. मगर हमने build किया और test किया इसको 5800X में. एक reason है उस चीज़ के पीछे. The guy wanted the build very quickly, तो हमको एक stand-in processor देकर उसको ship करना पड़ा. Which brings me to the point that I want to make. Market में 5900 नहीं है. किसी के पास भी नहीं मिल रहा. अगर किसी के पास मिल रहा है तो हमारे सपोर्ट के ऊपर ईमेल करके हमको बता दीजिए कि कहाँ से लेना है. But jokes apart, the reason why I'm telling you guys this is because if you're looking for a 5900 build to be done, wait it out a little bit. Supplies hopefully will normalize over the next month or so, and then we'll be able to move your shipments faster. The next thing I want to talk about is how does it run. I think it was a very solid build actually. When I talked to our quality guys, the idle temperatures on both the processor and the GPU were around the mid 40s range. And when we put it on a full load condition in our testing benchmarks, the GPU temperature barely reached about 68 degrees and the CPU was around 85, 89 degrees Celsius. So I think this is really good because what you have to also understand कि हमारा जो benchmark और stress test का loads होता है वो real life में replicate होना possible नहीं है. We kind of load all cores to 100% of their capacity and test it out for at least 10 to 12 hours. This is something that will never happen in a real life scenario. So the 89 degrees, although sounds high, it's pretty normal for a processor. B-roll तो आप देख ही चुके हो. Before leaving, I'd like to really request you all, please like, share and subscribe, spread the word about the MVP, okay, and help us reach the PC building community in India. Another thing, we're very excited and hopefully अगले एक दो वीडियो में हम आपको इसके बारे में बताएंगे. You all know we've been building a new store. 6 महीने लग गए इसको बनाने के लिए, but I tell you, we're very excited with what we've done with the place. Hopefully, it's a place that you'll all like to come, talk about your dream PC builds, and hopefully help us build you one as well. Thank you. नहीं वो एंड में होता. We're gonna talk about the build quality of the video, okay?
The build quality of the video is amazing.
Hear my voice. Pretty long one as well. ना थोड़ा thumbs up पिला दो बस. पसीना सूट रहा है मतलब. Can you all shut up? Why is there a crowd watching me? Like this is stupid. And for that reason, there is a crowd on the side of the camera that you can't see right now. Yeah, but they're just all sitting with popcorn and coke. Thumbs up and coke. Thumbs up and coke. All we do is basically embarrass people in front of the camera. Yeah. That's my job. Exactly. That's the editor's job. We pay him to basically make fools of us. Start. Once again, take